Hi there. So this is Chris Gregg, and I have been getting a bunch of questions about how to set up a blank, basically, Qt Creator project. And unfortunately, it's not like as simple as just creating a new file, especially because we have the Stanford libraries involved. So what you can do, though, is you can just create a copy of the another project. In fact, I would suggest, say, the simple project. And you can, once you make the copy, you change a couple of files and delete another file, and then you can open it up and you will be off to the races. All right, so right here I've got the simple project. And what I'm going to do, and this is on my Mac, the instructions should be relatively similar for Windows or Linux. The basic idea here is first make a copy of this project. In fact, I'll call it, oh, I don't know, I'll call it blank project, something like that. And then in this project, you should have, let's see, there we go, you should have the various files that come with the project. First thing you want to do, get rid of the user, the pro.user file. So I'm just going to move that to the trash, and that'll be the first thing. The second thing is, if you want to rename your project, like let me call this blank or how about my cool project. All right, we can change that, so that will change the my cool project name for you. And then in source, there's some files in there. We will talk about header files later. For now, you don't even really need that one. You can delete that too if you want. And then you can change this to whatever the name of your CPP file is going to be. So if you want to have a file called cool project.cpp, then that should be it. And really, that should do it. There may be in your res folder in images like a kitten. You don't even need this in here if you don't want. Goodbye, cute kitten. And that should do it. You can leave the others. If you want to put other files that aren't related, that aren't code, you should put them in the res folder. If you want to put other source files, you should put that in the cool project folder. I should also mention, if there is a build file, in fact I don't have one right here, if there's a build file folder, you can delete the build folder as well. In fact, you should delete the build folder as well. So let's see, if I open this up, if I go and click on my cool project, it should come up and say configure project. And once you configure the project, it should be good to go. So there's that. You also can certainly erase anything that's in this folder already if you want to, or in this file already, I should say. Let's see, around here, and let me delete, say, the rest of this like this, and there you go. And that should do it. So let's turn this into a hello world program just to see if it works. See out hello world. And that should do it. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to debug here. And once that actually finishes compiling, it should pull up our Java window that shows the console, and we should be all set. Of course, it's taking a while to compile. We've realized that if you leave this project open, compiling the second and third time around is much quicker normally. In this case, it's still compiling. So it takes a while the first time around. Well, it takes longer than you might think. There we go, and that was it. So that should do it. All right, close that, and you should be all set. Thanks.